Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a brand new video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Canva on macOS. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so first of all, you have to open a browser. Here I'm going to open my Chrome browser. I'm searching here Chrome and opening it. And now on the address bar, you have to type Canva download. You can also add an extension named for Mac. So I'm pressing return button and now open the first page. Now you'll see a download button over here. Just click on it and a file named DMG is going to download it on your macOS. Here you can see the name Canva 1.1190 universal.dmg. I'm going to zip the file and here you can see that the file is downloading right now. The size of the file is 205 MB. So here you can see that it has been downloaded. I'm going to double click on it to install it and now holding it and dragging it into the applications folder to install it. And that's it. We have successfully installing the Canva app. Here you can see that it has been installed. So I'm going to click on it to open it. So wait a few seconds, click on this open button and I think everything has been completed. So that's it. Here you can see that we have successfully installed Canva on our Mac. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to download and install Canva on our Mac. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.